Masters Learning Center at IUMasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 7th question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2 that's from the Bluebook app, the harder set of reading and writing questions. Question reads, which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? We find ourselves with a sentence completion. Going to the sentence, we read, the province of Xoconochco was situated in the Pacific coast, hundreds of kilometers southeast of Tenochtitlan, the capital of the Aztec Empire. Hundreds of kilometers southeast, it sounds like it's far away. Because of Xoconochco's location within the empire was so, and then you'd want to predict your answer. I would say far away, remote, something like that. It was so far away, cacao and other trade goods produced there could reach the capital only after a long overland journey. So it's a good idea when you're doing a sentence completions. You want to predict what you believe the blank will mean before you look at the answer choices. We said remote or far away. Unobtrusive, if something's obtrusive, then it's really obvious. It might get in the way or something like that. So answer choice A, we said far away, doesn't really fit. Concealed means hidden. So that's, was it hidden? I mean, it's possible it's hidden, but far away doesn't really mean far away. Now, any of these, you might like leave them and then like, if you get a better answer choice, then choose that better answer choice. If you know the meaning of a word and it's not a great fit for the blank, usually the fit for the blank is great. Like it's a very precise fit for the blank. So even if you know the meaning of the word and it's not a great fit for the blank, eliminate it. And even if that means choosing a word that you don't know. Approximate. It's not like they're not sure where it is. It's just far away. So that doesn't look like it's a good fit either. So we're left with peripheral, which does turn out to be the correct answer. Why? And what does this mean? What context do you most often see it in? So if I'm looking directly at the camera, I have peripheral vision, which is outer. Like I could kind of see the door over there, even though I'm looking straight at the camera. I could kind of see the wall over there, the ceiling up there, the keyboard down there. So peripheral means outer, not central. And if the capital of the Aztec Empire is central, this is certainly outside of that. It's far away from that. Peripheral is your best fit. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completion questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.